Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into a handy topic, how to create an excuse letter for school. With technology on our side, crafting an excuse letter has never been easier. So, let's get started. Step 1. Fire up your browser and head over to the ChatGPT platform at chat.openai.com. If you are new here, no worries. I've got a video on creating an account, and I will drop the link in the description below. Signing up is so simple. Once you are on the platform, kick off a chat by typing in the chat input box. To begin, you can type something like, "Generate an excuse letter for missing school due to a headache." Engage with ChatGPT and watch as it crafts a sample excuse letter based on your request. ChatGPT will provide you with a draft excuse letter. Take a moment to read through it or regenerate it if you don't like how it was written. Feel free to make any changes to personalize it further. Once you have given the letter your personal touch, you can save it by copying the text to a document. Add your name, address, the recipient's name, date, and all the nitty-gritty details. This tailoring ensures the letter suits your situation perfectly. But before you hit the final save, take a moment to proofread. Accuracy and clarity are key. And that's it. You've got yourself a custom excuse letter ready for school. How cool is that? I hope this video makes your life easier when it comes to dealing with school matters. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful content.